Welcome. This is a video in the series How to Rumble. In this video I will explain how to upload a video to Rumble. Go to the website rumble.com. Click on the green upload icon. Select a video to upload. Fill in the title of the video. Fill in the description of the video. Choose a video thumbnail or upload your own one. Add a picture. Add some tags if you want. Divided by a comma. Choose a channel to add your video to. Here you can schedule your video if you want. Ready? Click Upload. Choose one of the 4 licensing options. Fill in all the additional video information. Provide your YouTube URL, if it exists. Tick both boxes if you agree with the terms and conditions. Click on Submit. Go to the video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a like and join my channel to watch more tutorials about how to Rumble. Thanks again, and if you have a question, please use the comment box here below.